I'm on Blog TV. Hi, everybody. I'm vlogging here. I got the best people in here. Day Tripper, Scant Flock, Delay Pat, Kayla, Lancer, Stevie, Templemans. Vlogging. Vlogging.
Rate, comment, and subscribe if you're alive. Rate and comment and subscribe if you're alive. Thank you for stopping by the Every Other Daily. You may not believe this, but your rates, comments, and subscriptions make me happy. Rainbow tasting boys, LJ, the red breast shooting star, kid Kool-Aid. Absolutely every bomb that hits the yellow button every day. Rate and comment and subscribe if you're alive. Rate and comment and subscribe if you're alive. Trippy TV, Lauren Vlogs, Joyville Punk Sean at night. J-Money and everybody, make sure and subscribe. Rate, comment, and subscribe to me, baby. You know I love your face. I really love your face. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Rate, comment, and subscribe. You gotta rate. You gotta rate, comment, and subscribe to me, baby. You know I love your face. I really love your face. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Rate, comment, and subscribe. You gotta rate. You gotta. Rate, comment, and subscribe if you're alive. Rate, comment, and subscribe if you're alive. Rate, comment, and subscribe if you're alive. Rate, comment, and subscribe if you're alive.
I hope that turned out good. I know it's dark. I might have to do it tomorrow, but I want to see if it turned out. Thanks, Day Tripper, you're awesome. And I'm always singing. It's in my head all the time, so just want to do a little cover for you. Hope it was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Hey guys, it's Friday and I'm waiting for Andrea to get here because she's bringing Connie and we're gonna go take a walk. So yeah, she's not here yet, so I'm just waiting for her. So, and while I'm waiting, I'm watching Arthur. Boo boo. You guys can see Arthur. All my friends know I like Arthur. It's funny. I don't know. I know. I'm 23 and I'm watching Arthur. But whatever. I've watched it for so many years. But yeah. Alright, later guys.
Phone. Not sure why. Phone. Oh, I wish we would have gotten the hydraulic
Oh yeah.
guy.
The hydraulic shot of the truck up here in front of him.
You might be able to hear it.
Maybe.
So I'll show it off.
It's a piece of shit of a truck and it has hydraulics in it. That's about stupid. Dumb. It's a grenade as an antenna. I guess is that where the antenna would go?
Yeah.
You excited, Connie? Connie. Did it actually say anything about that video?
She said she watched it, and because she asked me one day, "Oh, look at this puppy! It looks kind of like Connie."
Oh, look at your twin, Con. Con.
Oh,
A little bit different. I always got a cut tail.
No tail. Oh, how cute. She asked me, she's like, "Did Kristen ever post that video?" And I told her, yeah. She's like, "Oh my god, she was supposed to talk to me for blah blah blah." She was so pissed. And I was like,
oh, whatever.
I was like, Ashley, it was not bad.
And they're purple, so I was gonna try them out, see if they work good. Yeah, and I'm watching some Andy Psalm right now. There's Andy. So I'm gonna try them out. Let you know how they work. You fit in my ears good. Hey. So much better than the iPod ones. Way better. Bye guys. Hey guys. So I bought a couple other things at work today, and I wanted to show you. Well, I got this movie. I haven't seen it before. I was wondering if any of you have seen it. It's called College. Here's the cover. So yeah, is this worth $5? Should I take it back? I don't know. I was tempted to not get it, but I also wanted to see what it was, so yeah, let me know in the comments, please, if you've seen it or what you think about it. I wasn't planning on getting this next item, and it's not like I was looking for it, but I came across it when I was cleaning up stuff at work, and I thought it was super cute. It's a little wallet that has turtles on it. The turtles. I thought it would be a good gift for Allie. Allie Speed. I don't know, because she likes turtles. Yeah, I think it's super cute. I mean, it wasn't super expensive. It was like $8, but then I have my 10% discount, so I didn't even pay that much. It's got a cute little pink inside with different little pockets for her ID, and it's just made out of like a cloth. It's like a quilt material. And it has a little handle too, so she can carry it as a clutch. I just thought it was cute. I figured she would like something like that. I wanted to send something, you know, when I send it in the mail, I wanted to send something to Charles too, but I don't know what to get him. Or something that's inexpensive and not heavy. So when I send it in the mail, it can get there cheaply and not too much money. So yeah. Do you guys have any ideas? Have you guys ever sent anything to Charles and Allie? When I was with Andrea, we went to Target, and we went to the park, and then we went out to dinner at Longhorn Steakhouse, so we had a coupon. So we got some steaks, and then we went back to her house in BG, and watched Avatar, and I finally saw it, and it was really good. I liked it a lot. And I was surprised. I mean, like, I definitely could see how visually stunning it could have been in theaters with the 3D and everything. But I thought even they had like a nice, I don't know if it was an LCD screen or I don't know what they have. whatever. She's got a big TV, bigger than mine. And so I'm glad I got to see it on her TV because they have surround sound and stuff. And so at least I got that much out of the movie. A little bit bigger screen. And that's about it. I've got nothing else really going on. Just gotta work tomorrow. So hope everybody is having a good evening. And I'll see everybody later. Bye.